right, today is day 3 of our weather kit. We are still working on the letter W. If you notice, you have a couple things clipped to your board. So go ahead and take those off. And then in your bag full of goodies, you should also have a die. All right. Very first thing we're going to do is we're going to put all the weather types on the cubes. Okay, so just peel off a sticker. Place it on the cube, press it down, and then flip it. So you want to make sure that you have one sticker on each side. Okay. Woo. Slowly getting there. All right, 2 more. Okay, and last one. All right. All right, so let's look at it and see what we have. What kind of weather is that?
That is a thunderstorm. Partly sunny.
Partly cloudy.
Yeah.
Partly.
Cloudy. All
Cloudy.
clouds. Snow. Rain.
Did we do that one?
We did thunderstorm. We have
This one?
That's the one. Sun. Bright and
Sun.
sunny day.
All right. So you have a little square at the top. Today's forecast. All right. And then you have a bag full of clothes and accessories. So you can lay them all out just so you can see what you're working with. All right. Ooh, we got a lot of options here. Okay. All right. And then you have a couple of clips. You see all that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're going to roll our die. We're going to put it on today's forecast.
So we have cloudy weather today.
Cloudy weather. All right. So if it is cloudy, what kind of clothes would we wear? Still kind of depends,
It
right?
depends.
So are we going to say it's cloudy and cold, or is it cloudy and hot?
Let's say it's cloudy and cold. Like a cold, chilly, cloudy day.
Okay. So, would I wear a bathing suit?
No.
No. How about some pants?
I think pants is a good idea.
All right. Push. Okay. This takes a lot of skill there. Clip them on. I'm going to need a shirt.
Yeah, you do need a shirt for sure.
I mean, if it was just a little bit chilly, we could go short sleeve, but I'm thinking maybe I'm going to wear my long sleeve and I'm going to clip it to my line, and then I don't think I'm going to need flip-flops. I don't really think I need boots. Maybe I'm going to put on my kicks.
Oh, that's a good idea. Put on your sneakers.
Tennis shoes on. Do I need sunglasses?
You know, if it's cloudy, no.
You don't need 'em.
Yeah, it's not bright out. You don't need your sunglasses.
Do you think I need anything else? I don't think so.
I don't think so. I think you are pretty well covered for today's forecast.
All right. So we're going to take it off. We're going to roll it again. See what else we can...
Woo.
See what other outfits we can put together. All right. Whoa.
Ooh, it's storming.
It is storming.
Yikes.
Well, do I really want to go outside when it is lightning?
Well, I wouldn't want to. I think I'm going to stay inside.
No, we definitely don't really want to use a metal umbrella, but if we have to run out and it is storming that bad, but you just got to get to the car or wherever you're going.
Check the mail real quick, something, right?
I think I'm going to wear my rain jacket.
Yep.
I think I'm going to throw on my rain boots.
Yep, for sure. For
Okay.
sure.
And I probably would have on my pants under
Yes.
this. So we're going to put our pants back up here. Okay? And remember, this is just to run out and run back in. Because if you see this, we are going to stay inside.
That's right.
Okay? We're going to stay inside. All right. Flip it again. Whoop! All right. Let's see what we get. Oh, there's our rainy.
All right, just plain rain. No storm this time, just rain.
Yep. So I think I'm going to bring my umbrella this time.
For sure.
I mean, you could wear your rain jacket, but I have my umbrella. So I'm going to just wear my long sleeve shirt because I'm going to have my umbrella. But I am going to wear my boots because I don't want my feet to get wet. And I might even just wear my shorts with it because that's the kind of quirky I am. I'm going to have my shorts with my rain boots and a long sleeve and
An umbrella.
an umbrella. Yep, that's how I'm going to roll out when it's raining. All right. Because it can be hot or it can be cold when it's raining.
True. Very true.
All right. Let's do one more.
Bright sunny day, my favorite.
All right. Sunglasses. That's
Definitely.
a must.
Protect your eyes.
All right. And I'm going to wear my dress. I'm going to wear my sundress.
Perfect.
Okay. Some other options for the sun. Okay. Other options.
Could wear your swimsuit.
Yep.
Might be a nice day to go swimming.
Swimsuit. Flip-flops.
Oh, definitely.
Definitely.
For
I'm going to
sure.
wear my flip-flops. So I got my sunglasses, my dress, and my flip-flops. That's my outfit for the day.
Perfect. That's what I would pick too.
And let's see. You could even mix it up. There's several different options that you could have here. What about that?
That would also work very well.
I could wear my kicks.
Good. Yep.
Okay. So there's not one right answer to these. Just make sure if it's sunny, are we really going to want to wear our rain jacket and an umbrella and boots?
No,
Not so much.
I don't think so.
Not
I
so
don't
much.
think so.
All right. So be aware of what you are rolling and make sure that you are wearing the appropriate items. If it is snowing, let's just see this one. Do you like the snow?
For one day.
Yeah.
And then I'm tired
Ditto.
of it. Yeah.
Ditto. All right. But if it is snowing, we might need
Our heavy coat.
Our heavy coat.
Yep.
Okay. Probably wear hat.
Yep. For sure.
And I definitely will probably have mittens on. Hopefully I will have pants and a shirt on, but I will also probably be really bundled up and have my scarf on too. You could even put your boots on. Okay. I mean, you're going to bundle up.
Yes.
You're going to have all kinds of stuff with winter.
Layer up. That's right.
Layer up, layer up. All right, you guys, when you are done playing, put it away. You can play it over and over again. You can even try to guess which weather you're going to roll. Put it there. We're going to kind of do something like that on Friday, but just another option. All right, that is all I have. Have fun, you guys.